Hello guys, welcome back. It's Wednesday, a bit of a grey Wednesday here again in Sydney. A lot of rain, but the attention is shifting. The market is shifting. Slowly but surely, we're going to be shifting. So what is the big shift that can be happening very soon? And what is happening with the market? So that's what I want to be talking with you today, because there is a shift. And the shift is from yesterday, from last week pretty much, to this week, we had been having more gold up moves than before. Okay, and what does that mean for the macroeconomic and the geopolitical? Stay with me until the end of this video that you will definitely understand what's going on. But before we go any further, subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up. It's very, very important that you do those two things, and it doesn't take you any 30 seconds to do that, and it helps us a lot to grow the channel and share this good content with everyone else. Now, first of all, last week, I think everyone was talking about tariffs, right? Trump imposing tariffs. Even I was talking it because that was the moment. That was where, everyone was believing on Trump, and Trump would do the trade war and whatever that could happen, and that he was the big leader of the world, and that something huge was going to happen with the tariffs. Well, after he's postponing and then coming back and then postponing again, coming back, a lot of indecisions happening around that tariff title, let's say like this, headlines. He implemented the 25% tariffs on Canada and Mexico. And now he wants to implement 25% tariffs on electricity as well from Canada. So that's huge. That's literally a lot of pressure into the Canadian dollar. Canadian dollar will be very weak. Okay, the Canadian dollar will be very weak. I'm very bearish at the moment on CAD, CAD. Look at USD CAD. Look at New Zealand dollar CAD. Even New Zealand dollar, that is not the strongest currency at the moment. I think, in my opinion, the strongest currency at the moment is the pound, GBP. Euro coming second, and then, US dollar is very weak as well at the moment. Anyways, now, what that makes and what is shifting. So basically from tariff most, focused sort of thing, now the market is focusing on another stuff. And this is inflation pressure and recession pressure. When Trump got asked, will that be a recession? He said, no, not at all. What recession? We're going to make plenty of money. We're going to be rich. That's around those lines. That's what he said. And the market didn't buy that because all of the riskier assets are falling and the safer assets are rising day by day. So pretty much all the money that came, from those big investors outflow from riskier assets to safer assets. So like gold, and bonds, treasuries, and etc. And we can see a rise on those ones in the last couple of days. As of equities, indices kept falling. Nasdaq fall 4% in a day. S&P 500 has been falling more than 4% in the whole time now of the correction phase. And then when asked about this of Trump, when people asked about Trump, hey Trump, everything is collapsing. What's going on? He say like, look, there's no worry. We don't need to be worried because they are be making big changes and this is going to happen, right? Yes, in one sense, the market sort of understand that, but the tariffs that he's implementing would take more than years to recover all of these drops on the indices. A lot of people got liquidated. A lot of funds got liquidated. More than $400 billion vanish like that in thin air. In less than 2 weeks, in less than 3 months, okay? In less than 2 months, 2 months. So lots of things changing now on the market. And I think the market is, sort of more inflation pressures, a lot of high inflation we may expect from CPI this week. We may see as well, a lot of talks about recession, and people believing that may be possible to have a recession on USA. So lots of things happening. Will that actually turn out to be a recession, I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball, and I can't tell you. But if that happen, what can we do? What can we, sort of trade? I would be looking to go for safer assets like gold. Gold at $3,000, it's a fantastic asset to be. And I think, with Trump now in power, most likely gold will continue to rise. So don't be foolish. Don't be fooled about these small drops on gold. Okay, gold hadn't went up too much. It's going to back down to 2,000. No, forget about it, man. It's not about technical. It's about macro. It's about geopolitical. There's a lot of pressures going on. So watch off those topics, the hot topics that are going on. Tonight and 5 to 6 p.m., well, this afternoon, 5 to 6 p.m., I will be live, trading live with everyone. So make sure to join the Telegram now, because that's where I will be sending the link very soon, in 2 hours pretty much, for everyone to join. Okay, that's Australia time, 5 to 6 p.m. Australia time. So thank you so much for watching me. Stay up to date. There's a lot of things happening. I'll see you in the next video, or I see you tonight, and bring your questions as well for me. I love questions. I love to answer those questions. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See you.